It's time for another hot dish from Happy Healthy Why.
With Daddy!
You don't need to travel to Buffalo to taste this wonderful sauce that you can customize to your own personal taste buds. The basic ingredients of this sauce makes it easy to customize. First, I'm going to chop up half an onion. The finer the better. I am using a Fullstar vegetable chopper to keep myself from getting teared up when I chop the onion very fine. Next, take 2 cloves of garlic and crush them like my dreams of becoming the Iron Chef of YouTube. I'm using a microplane here to crush the garlic. You can watch my reviews for both the Fullstar vegetable chopper and the microplane by following the links in the description below. Once the onion and garlic are ready, take a half a cup of butter and melt it in a saucepan over medium heat. I personally have cut the butter smaller to make the melting faster. After it's melted for a little bit, add the garlic and onion and cook till both the garlic and onion are caramelized. Once the garlic and onion are cooked, it's time to customize the sauce to your liking. Take the butter mixture off the fire and add 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. This time I'm using Tapatio, but I've also used taco sauce and sriracha sauce, and they always come out tasting very good. To give this sauce a proper taste test, I made some chicken wings that my kids used for dipping. My recipe for easy and crispy hot chicken wings will be coming out next week with the link in the description below. Let's see what my kids think.
Wow, it's still pretty hot. We're ready. That barbecue sauce really adds a good spice flavor. You know, it's not as spicy as the one you find at like Buffalo Wild Wings, because those can get really, really spicy. But this one means like sort of that mild, where it's like it's above mild, but it's not to like the super hot. It really is not that spicy, but it's got a flavor. Yeah, you say it.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Right. Can I debone it? Okay. Doop.
Food hacks.
The sauce tastes just like it smells. It is spicy. A tiny bit spicier than I would like. But it has good flavor. And the chicken very good. I like these chicken wings. Better than Costco's.
Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.